In this project, we'll be trying to recreate the digestive system. It will consist of a scale of a human body and a series of tubing functioning like the digestive system. Inside, we'll have acids and bases reacting to certain fruits inside our body.
The mannequin is going to be made of triple, and with that we're going to cut them into different bones. After this we're going to join them to form the skeleton, and we're going to paint it.
Our project is gonna be a representation of a skeleton, and in the stomach we're gonna make a hole, and we're gonna put some tubes and other stuff to simulate the internal organs of the body. And at the end of the skeleton we're gonna put some jars that we are gonna fill with some bases and acids. Then we are gonna add some liquids through the mouth part of the skeleton, and that is going to travel across the tubes that we place in the stomach hole, and it is going to arrive to the jars that we left. And when it arrives to a jar, it is going to change of color.
Hi, my name is Abdiel, and I am in charge of the design of the elaboration of this model. For this model, we're going to use a clear plastic tube. This clear plastic tube will represent the mouth, where food is chewed and combined with some enzymes, and the esophagus, where is the place where food travels through the stomach, and will be placed like this. Another material we're going to use for the elaboration of this model is a clear plastic recipient. This clear plastic recipient will be representing the stomach, like this. This recipient is clear because some acids and bases reactions from the food we eat will be represented here. The next to represent is the small and the large intestine. For this, we're going to use clear plastic tube. The small intestine will be represented like this, and the large intestine will be represented also with clear plastic tube, but in this form. This is for showing the path that food passes for going out of the body.
Today I'm going to explain what happens if we put the purple cabbage in our experiment, like in the why do we have to put the purple cabbage juice in the base liquids that we are using for our experiment. So we are using this purple cabbage because we need to neutralize the bases that are going to enter in the body. Like we are going to put some bases, liquid bases, in our body, so we can verify and see what happens when we drink or ingest this type of liquids, like base liquids with a pH stronger than 7, like from 7 to 14. So to get it back to normal, the body, we have to use this purple cabbage because it's like a neutralizer of these liquid bases.
So I'm going to explain now the usage of this cabbage juice in our project. Since we are working with acids and bases, we need a pH indicator. That's the main function of our cabbage juice. In the example of the acids, we are going to be working with milk, Coke and lemon juice, since they are acids and we use it in our daily life. For example, with the milk, it will react with the cabbage juice with a pink color. Also in the Coke, it will have a salmon color, and with the lemon juice, since it's a more acidic substance that we're working in here, it will have a red color. Thanks to this cabbage juice, we can see the level of acidity in each substance we are working in this project. With this project, we can show many people in a biological and chemical way the digestive system. Also, we can show them how acids and bases react and how to neutralize them. Also, we can show the people how they are altering the pH by having a bad diet, and how many food that we ingest in our daily life can affect our body. Also, we can make people conscious about the things they are eating and show them that they need to change their diet in order to have a daily life.